everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. First we are going to cover this tube using balloon. Now cover it using colorful craft paper and look, it's ready. Here we are going to fill this empty plastic bag using glue and some white glue and some black color. Now we are going to put it on the top of this colorful sheet and it's ready. Cut these shapes from craft paper. Now we are going to paste all those strips of paper together, put a stick and paste it and look, it's ready. We are going to fold this plastic. Inside it. Fold it using double-sided tape and paste it. Put the straw and look, it's ready. Here we are going to draw any cartoon character like we are doing here. Now make a hole, cut a bottle, paste it on the back side and look, it's ready. Take a green paper cup and cut the top portion. Now press it and cut it from the sides. Make the face of the crocodile. Now we are going to combine two of the paper cup together. Make the hands, eyes and look, your fun craft is ready. Here we are going to remove the eggshells and color them. Now make small pieces and paste it on the top of this waist drawing. Draw the flowers as well using clay. Press all of them. Beautiful artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.